Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to add clickable link on Instagram Reels using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using your Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. By the way, in this tutorial, we're gonna find out if it is impossible or possible to put clickable link on your Instagram Reels. Okay, so now let's go back on the tutorial. Click on the plus sign at the lower part of your, and here at the lower right side of your screen you can see an options, right? So just go ahead and click on Reel. Now you can just go ahead and take a video or your reel. So I'm just gonna take a photo. Oh, it is not possible, so I'm sorry about that. So once you've done your video, just go ahead and click on next. So now when you tap to add text, you can just go ahead and type the link, okay, or the URL of it. But the problem is it is not clickable. Okay, so what you can do is to remove this and now click on the sticker button and search for link. Now here just choose link in bio. Okay, so just go ahead and put that right there wherever you want. Now click on next, and now you can also type the link here at your captions, but again the problem is it is not clickable. Okay, so now just go ahead and click on share. Now go to your profile by clicking the profile button at the lower right corner of your screen. Now click on edit profile. Now you can see the links section. So just go ahead and click that and click the add external link. And now you can just go ahead and type the URL. Now the title of it. Now click done. Okay, so now when you go back on your profile, you can see that there's a link on your bio, right? And now other people can now click on that link because that link is clickable. Okay, so that is how you add a clickable link on Instagram Reels. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.